Residents of Discovery Bay in St. Ann are again demonstrating at the Puerto Rico beach facility. They're protesting the addition of a Dolphin Cove at the newly renovated attraction. They have been protesting for months and have vowed to continue their actions despite a lawsuit filed against one of their members. Placards in hand, this small group picketed the shores of the Puerto Rico beach again on Friday. Their message?
No dolphins needed in the bay.
The protesters are from the Discovery Bay Community Development Committee, CDC. They say that the dolphin attraction has been causing environmental degradation.
Before the dolphins came, we had stingrays in the bay, we had no sharks in the bay, we had no dolphins visiting the bay. Now that the dolphins are here, we have wild dolphins coming in, we have sharks coming in, we have the stingrays have left for some reason or the other, I don't know why. The bay is now smelly and raw. The water is cloudy in the mornings, and slime is sometimes seen floating on the top of the water. There are a lot of changes to the bay that needs to be addressed by NEPA.
At the height of the protests last year, NEPA insisted that all environmental concerns were taken into consideration before granting a restricted permit for the facility. However, the Discovery Bay CDC says the proof of their concern is now being seen. One visitor, Paul from England, agrees with the CDC. He says he has had 6 consecutive annual visits.
But this year I've seen a real difference. Since the dolphins came last Christmas, the water's just not as clean as it was, and it has an unpleasant smell about it.
In May last year, the operators of Puerto Rico Beach took legal action against the president of the Discovery Bay CDC for what they deemed libelous information about the alleged harmful impacts of dolphins on the marine environment. But the protesters say they are not deterred by that.
You cannot sue successfully for telling the truth.
And we believe that this is a way of them muzzling us and stopping us from speaking about what is going on here. We think that they want to keep this as their dirty little secret, but we are not going to be muzzled. We will not be muzzled. Our leader is a warrior, and we will continue to fight the cause, because this bay is going to be ruined if we do not do something about it, and we have to do something about it.
In light of the changes they say they have observed, the CDC is calling on NEPA to revisit and reverse the approval. They say in addition to affecting recreational life and livelihoods, tourism is also being affected negatively. Paul agrees.
Well, I'm a tourist. It can't be good, can it, if I'm finding differences here? I mean, they've done a great job on Puerto Rico Beach. They've really redeveloped it and made it nice. But why it's being spoilt by bringing the dolphins in, I don't know. They just need to take them away.
But if this concern is affecting many, why a mere handful of protesters? Sharon Chin-Key says it's because those with money are manipulating the people.
Because, you know, people are afraid to join us. We did a flash demonstration just now, and we wanted a lot more people on the beach to join us, but they're afraid of being sued. And we want people to know that they are not to be afraid of speaking up, because if our forefathers had been afraid of speaking up, we would have never gotten freedom from slavery.